Remember pearOS, the macOS-style Linux distro that vanished years ago? Well, it's officially back, and this time it's more modern, faster, and built on Arch Linux. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the return of pearOS, a Linux distribution designed to look and feel like macOS, now reborn with a completely new base and a heavily customized KDE Plasma desktop. pearOS first appeared in 2011, created by French developer David Tavares. Back then, it was based on Ubuntu and later Debian, offering a Mac OS X-like experience with a dock at a time when Ubuntu was experimenting with Unity. The project went through multiple name changes, additions, and redesigns before being sold in 2014 to an undisclosed company, after which development stopped. Over the years, different developers tried to revive the idea, but none of the versions truly stuck. Now, pearOS has returned once again, thanks to Romanian developer Alexandru Balan. This new version completely abandons Ubuntu and Debian and is now based on Arch Linux. That shift alone makes pearOS far more appealing to users who want up-to-date software and long-term rolling updates without reinstalling the system. The latest release, pearOS Nice COZA or 25.12, ships with the Linux 6.17 kernel and KDE Plasma 6.5.3. The desktop is deeply customized to mimic the look and feel of modern macOS, featuring a polished dock, custom icons, smooth animations, and a glossy liquid gel style design. Despite the macOS-inspired appearance, it's still a full KDE Plasma environment underneath, so users retain flexibility and customization. One of the biggest changes in this release is the brand new installer. It's built using Electron and Node.js, giving pearOS a modern and visually clean installation process. At the moment, the installer is still in beta, which means occasional bugs are possible, but active development is ongoing and improvements are being rolled out regularly. Because pearOS is based on Arch Linux, it follows a rolling release model. You install it once and keep receiving updates continuously. This makes it especially attractive for users who want a macOS-like desktop combined with cutting-edge Linux software, strong performance, and minimal manual setup. If you want to try pearOS Nice CRA 25.12, the ISO is available right now on the official website, and you can also follow development on GitHub. Let me know in the comments what do you think about pearOS making a comeback. Hit like if this video helped, and subscribe for more Linux news and updates.